Get ready to discover how quadratic equations power some amazing technologies. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a quadratic equation? It's all about equations with that x squared term. These are super important for your CBSE exams, so let's get comfortable with them. The first method is factorization. Think of it like breaking a number down into its prime factors. We're doing the same thing, but with equations. It's like reverse multiplication. A root is simply the value of x that makes the whole equation equal 0. It's where the graph of the equation crosses the x-axis. These roots are also called solutions. Now, completing the square might sound a bit scary, but it's actually a clever trick to rewrite the equation. We're trying to make one side a perfect square, which makes it easier to solve. Here's the big one, the quadratic formula. X equals minus b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. Remember this formula, it's your best friend. The discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, is like a secret code. It tells us if the equation has real solutions, one solution, or no real solutions at all. Pay close attention to this. The discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, tells us everything about the nature of roots. Notice that we only use the coefficients a, b, and c from the original equation. Here's a common mistake, forgetting to check the discriminant before you start solving. This can save you a lot of time on the exam. Always do this first. Let's walk through a problem together. First, we factorize the equation. Then, we set each factor equal to 0. And finally, we solve for x to find our roots. Quadratic equations aren't just abstract math. They're used to calculate the trajectory of a ball, design bridges, and so much more. That's why they are in your syllabus. Here are 3 quick exam tips. 1. Double-check your factorization. 2. Memorize that quadratic formula. And 3. Practice, practice, practice. So, to recap, we covered factorization, completing the square, and the quadratic formula. These are your tools to conquer quadratic equations on exam day. Synapse offers AI-powered notes, doubt solving, and practice tests to help you master quadratic equations. And it's all free. Start your free trial today at synapse.omups.in and master quadratic equations for your CBSE exams. Don't forget to subscribe for more free lessons. See you next time.